Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the hood closely to find exactly what's wrong: seam separation, fabric tear, or a broken zipper. Once done, remove any loose stuffing and clear the area with a lint roller. Next, mark the repair zone with tailor chalk so you know where to stitch. Make sure to note thread color and stitch direction. Prepare a short test seam on scrap fabric to match tension and needle choice so your repair sits flat and strong. You next remove old stitches and prepare clean edges. Use a seam ripper about 1/4 inch from the damaged area to preserve fabric. Once done, align edges and baste by hand to hold position. Make sure to backstitch at both ends to lock seams. Then, sew a permanent seam with matching polyester thread at 2.5 to 3 mm stitch length, and add an internal patch or twill tape over high-stress areas so the hood will resist. You finish by addressing zipper problems or final touches. If teeth are misaligned, realign and lubricate with paraffin so the slider moves smoothly. If the slider is broken, replace it and compress the stop with pliers to secure. Once the zipper works, trim loose threads, press seams gently with low heat through a cloth, and reattach any toggles or drawcords. If the hood still pulls oddly, inspect the internal patch seam. Loosen and resew that area to redistribute tension and restore proper shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.